Hey girl, if you are here watching this video, I take it that you are searching for an affordable curly unit. It's the summertime, we are outside, so we're gonna get into the fluffy edges and the half up, half down. Huge shout out to AliExpress for sending this wig over, and we are gonna get into the tea, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all the rundown on this wig. Give me 1 second, I got you. Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Bomb Kiss TV. So today's video is brought to you by Moxika hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video, and thank you so much for hooking me up with this cute ass wig. You already know what I'm gonna say. I feel Puerto Rican in this hair. But this hair, let me know how y'all feel about the edges. I know my mom is gonna text me like, girl, why did you do that? But I wanted to try the fluffy edges. I like this side. I feel like I could have did this side better as far as the edges. Now the lace is Gucci. I could use one little spray right there. But the lace is straight. I love this. So Moxika hair, this is my first time working with them, and so far so good. This gives, like, you know when you get in the shower and you fresh out and the hair is super flat, when it's wet with no product, it looks like that. So this is dried with no product. This is the natural texture of the hair. I did not crimp it, I did not curl, I did not wand it. It's naturally like this, and to me that's so cute. It's full and it's light. It feels super light. I didn't know what style I was gonna do at first, because I feel like I'm always wearing my hair down, but y'all know I'm trying to get used to different styles I normally wouldn't wear. So I feel like the fluffy edges I wouldn't wear, so I was like, you know what, let's do it, why not? And I think it turned out so cute. I give this hair like a 9 or a 10. I bleached the knots. I did bleach them twice because the first time I think I rinsed them out too fast or something. But you'll want to bleach this unit for a minimum of 45 minutes. Still keep your eye on it. But it was pre-plucked. It was easy to melt. Super easy to melt. I did not use any glue. Yeah, I didn't use glue. I used hairspray, and that's it. I like it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I like the edges though too. I don't know. They're kind of extra edges, but I don't know. It's giving to me for this hairstyle. You know, like. But if you guys would like to see how I achieve this easy half up, half down glueless style with the fluffy edges, my first time doing fluffy edges. So y'all know it's beginner friendly, because y'all have never seen me with fluffy edges like this ever. Can't say you have. But if you'd like to see how I achieve this, then just keep watching.
I don't really care if you are mine. I don't need another side. I'm wearing you down to the ground. We're done for the night. I really don't care if you are mine, but I'm keeping you in the line. You really don't know which way to turn. You're always one step behind. Going down this road again. I don't wanna explain You grasp for every crumb of hope, although you've reached the end of my road. The glimpse that you think you see ain't nothing that I'll ever be. I don't